Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today I've been very busy. Tomorrow is my Canning 101 class, and I thought I'd give you a preview of a little of what I've done to get ready for it. First off, let me show you what I had to do first thing this morning. We had to pick rattlesnake beans. So I had 7 quarts. We picked the beans. Then I came in, fixed all my Etsy orders. We went to town, did a little shopping, did some things, come back. I snapped these, or I cut them up, and canned them today. On top of that, I just got through making potato salad and blueberry pies. Okay, the blueberries are from Deep South. And in the potato salad, my relish, potatoes, eggs, onions, all that came from Deep South. I'm thinking tomorrow we're making taco soup. If you're coming to a canning class, don't you intend to eat something that's been canned? So we're going to try taco soup. Also made these yummy looking apple cupcakes. Gluten-free, going to be good. I'm going to set this up tomorrow. We're going to have some regular water in one and sassy water in the other. Some of my ginger, guys. Some lemon, and I'm going to pick fresh mint in a little while, let it sit in the fridge tonight, sassy water tomorrow. And guys, guess what? You can see the floor again. Isn't that awesome? We put some of the potatoes in 5-gallon buckets. I've still got to can them. They're out of the floor for 2 days and then back to doing this. We've got a few tomatoes. Got to get all that. But those aren't turned yet, so they'll last hopefully a couple of days. But I can see the floor. Isn't that awesome? We're going to flip the table around. The jars I'm taking down to the cellar in a few minutes. Then stuff for the canning class. Let me show you the new addition to Deep South. I did all this in the last couple of days. This is meat, apples, tomatoes, broth, what else have I got? And then the green beans in there. All of it's got to go down. We're going to be using the juicer steamer. Of course, we're going to be using the pressure pot, but this was my new addition, a 22-quart stainless steel pan or pot. Has a glass see-through lid, and guys, this is what we needed. See the bottom? The bottom is flat. Those pots on a flat top stove that have the ridges on the bottom will not heat evenly. So, new addition to Deep South, a nice stainless steel pot, 22 quarts, guys. I'm going to have some things set up here for coffee, and we're going to set up our water, I think, on the end here. So, this is going to be a little station for beverages. So, that's what I've been doing. I've been cleaning and rearranging, getting things ready. I've moved my bar up some so I have more room in the kitchen. And we're getting ready for this Canning 101 class. Whether one person shows up or 10 or 12, doesn't matter. We're going to have the class, and we're going to have some hands-on one-on-one time. Oh, and we're canning, by the way. Water bath canning is going to be blueberry jelly. I've got the blueberries out. They're ready to be thawed out first thing in the morning to go in the juicer steamer. They don't really have to thaw, but I want them to thaw some while we're talking. Then, tomorrow afternoon, carrots. They're going to get to peel carrots, cook carrots. They're going to be pressure canning carrots. That's going to be awesome, guys. So, I'll show you some of the highlights, I hope, tomorrow. I'm going to be pretty busy. It's according to whether somebody can take some snapshots, video, whatever, and we'll see how it goes. But thank you guys for sticking with me, for encouragement, all that kind of stuff. And we're going to see how a Canning 101 class goes. I'm having fun. I'll eat the pies and the potato salad myself. So if nobody shows up, I get to eat. Especially those pies. Y'all, those pies are looking good. Thank you guys. from Crazy Days.